Now the question is, identify the quantifier in the following statements and write the negation of the statements. Now number 1, there exists a number which is equal to its square, and second is for every real number x, x is less than x plus 1. Now number 1, now what is the quantifier here? It is there exists. There exists. And what is the negation? We have to write negation also. Negation becomes there does not exist a number which is equal to its square, which is equal to its square. Now number 2, now here the quantifier is, it is written for every real number, for every, okay, and the negation will be there exists a real number x such that, now it is written x is less than x plus 1 such that x is not less than x plus 1. So we have written the quantifier and the negation of the given statement.